Somebody on the track.
Hey, yo.
Woo. Skirt. Yeah. Ay.
We finna hit it. Ay. Yo. Scoot. This ain't my beat. Don't copyright me. Yeah.
They still killing these two birds. They killing them in thirds. At this point, they're sending me and my homegirl.
John and Courtney.
They tryna take my password. They really killing these two birds. They killing them in thirds. At this point, it's upsetting me and my homegirl. They tryna take my password. When I was 3, you know my mother gave birth to me. JK, that isn't possible physically or mentally. You know I had some hits in the past, but you keep on messing with me. I'ma put them hits on blast. I had some Vaseline and I rubbed it on my knees, and when I was young, you know I hit that shoulder lean. I was a oogly boogly with the heebie-jeebies, and you know I still come up with some crazy theories. Me and Courtney, we was Billie Eilish, and we laughed so hard that we had some puffy eyelids. I'ma make you cry so hard that you'll probably need a crib, yeah. Now here come the ad-libs. And I didn't know that there was more. 1, 2, 3, you need to walk out that door. 4, 5, 6, I'm going to the store, but my car got declined, so I'm going back home. They still killing these blue birds
And selling them.
I'm binge watching pennies and furs.
It's 104 days.
Your food is nasty, haven't you heard?
Ew.
Because you only season it with herbs.
Ooh, you stink.
I'm gonna make a song reverb. I bet you don't know no verbs. And why you always so disturbed? That's all I can find that rhymes with fur.
It's a part. Hey, yeah. Big money, big state. You already know we got that cash. This Steve Harvey coming at you from the Steve Harvey Morning Show. ATL's #1 radio station for hip hop and R&B music. V103, yeah, that's where it's at.